We have one tutorial talk and two invited speakers. So the tutorial talk will begin by Dr. Klaus Rappers from Göttingen University in Germany. He's going to talk about the strong field effects in metallic nanostructures. Metallic nanostructure exhibiting plasmonic resonance. So this brings about a lot of opportunity to study the strong field effect and highly confined nonlinear optic phenomena. One typical example is you can study, for instance, localization of electron from the emitted electron from the metal nanostructure. As a typical example would be you can study a photoelectric effect from a very different perspective at very high field limit. Nowadays, you can replace this electromagnetic source and the heavy matter by using, say, ultra-short pulse laser pulse and using, say, nanometers sized metal wire or metal needle or metal tip. So as in, you can have this unexpected phenomena. So what they found is something which you normally will not find from the undergraduate, say, modern physics lab. That's one thing. The other thing, you can put the, say, metallic plasmonic antenna in the surrounding atomic gases. There you can study the huge enhancement of photon emission and fluorescence effect. So this group made a significant contribution to this field. So I believe he will talk about some of the recent progress along this line. The two invited speakers, we have one from Southampton University in UK, and Dr. Kovicki. He's going to talk about terahertz lasers. So we know terahertz wave is one of the important in the electromagnetic spectrum. There's many applications proposed for, say, using terahertz for imaging, for microscopic, and for communication, but it's always a challenge how to create coherent, intense, highly directional terahertz wave. The other one invited to talk is Dr. Chi from Purdue University, and he's going to talk about optical logic in silicon-based micro-ring resonator. What this group did is you can use this specially designed miniature device to, say, transform ultra-short laser pulse into a bursts of radio frequency. So this may have a wide application in wireless communication. I found it's amazing. Apart from the old traditional nonlinear optics, say frequency converging, wave mixing, soliton, or nonlinear material effect, you find a lot of paper actually going to the cutting edge research related to, say, supercontinuous generation, terahertz generation, and safe acceleration beam. So we'll hear a lot about some new novel phenomena such as negative optic forces, optical refrigeration, optic isolation, and photon pairing, and say lasing and filamentation in air.